podcast, What is a Computer Network? Hello, and welcome to the show. Today we talk about networks. This is your first lesson. Don't worry, I will speak slowly. I will use easy words. Today we answer three questions. 1. What is a computer network? 2. What is a protocol? 3. Why do we use layers? These three ideas are very important. You will hear them again and again. Part 1. What is a computer network? A computer network is a group of devices. These devices connect to each other. They send data. They share things. You need two devices or more. Then you have a network. We call these devices hosts. We also call them nodes. A host can be a computer. It can be a phone. It can be a server. It can be a small smart device too. A network needs three parts. The first part is the end system. This is where data starts or stops. For example, your laptop is an end system. A web server is an end system too. The second part is the medium. This is the path for the data. It can be a copper cable. It can be a fiber cable. It can be a radio wave in the air. The third part is the middle devices. We call them switch and router. They move the data the right way. Why do we build networks? We build them to share. We share data, like files and web pages. We share resources, like a printer. We share services, like login and payment. A network lets one device use things on another device. That is the whole point. Part 2. What is a protocol? A protocol is a set of rules. It is like a shared language. It helps two devices understand each other. Think about this. One machine sends bits, but the other machine is confused. Which bits are the address? Which bits are the data? When can it answer? A protocol gives the answers. A protocol defines three things. The first is syntax. This is the format. It is the order of the parts in the message. The second is semantics. This is the meaning. It tells the device what to do. The third is timing. This tells the device when to send. It tells the device how fast to send. Here is an easy picture. A protocol is like a greeting between two people. Person A puts out a hand. Person B takes the hand. They shake hands. But what if one person does not follow the rule? Then the greeting fails. It is the same with devices. Different protocols cannot talk. Part 3. A real example with HTTP. Now let's see a real example. You open a web page. Your browser is the client. It talks to a web server. They use a protocol called HTTP. First, the client sends a request. It says get in the path like /index.html. Then the server sends a response. It starts with a code. The code is 200. Okay, this means I found it. Here it is. Both sides use the same protocol, so they understand every line. Part 4. Why do we use layers? Network communication is hard. There are many jobs. We must handle electric signals. We must find errors. We must use addresses. We must find the path. And then we handle the app content. So we split the big problem. We make small parts. We call these parts layers. Each layer does one job. Each layer helps the layer above it. Each layer uses the layer below it. Layers give us three good things. First, they give us flexibility. You can change one layer inside. For example, you change from Wi-Fi to a cable. The other layers do not change. Second, they help different companies work together. They only need to follow the rules between layers. Third, they make things easy to learn and easy to fix. When there is a problem, you find the right layer fast. Here is the key idea. Each layer talks to the same layer on the other device. It feels like a direct line, but this is not real. The data goes down all the layers first, then it travels. In the next lesson, we will look at the OSI model. That will make this idea clear. Let's review. A computer network is a group of connected devices. They share data and resources. A protocol is a set of rules. It has syntax, semantics, and timing. It helps devices understand each other. A layered model splits the big job into small layers. This gives us flexibility. It helps companies work together, and it makes fixing problems easy. That is all for today. Thank you for listening. Practice these words. See you in the next lesson. Bye.